Wheezing, I want you to think, I have a mnemonic for you. It's AAC. It's asthma, anaphylaxis, and COPD. Next we have rhonchi. Ronker sounds, rhonchi in the lungs. What's that? We got junk in the lungs, man. I think about pneumonia, think about hypersecretion. I got junk in the lungs, right? Infection pathway. Next, we got rails, okay? Rails, I have fluid in the lungs. We commonly hear it in the bases, okay? And what do I think about? I got fluid. It's CHF. It's CHF, okay? Now, I got a bonus for you. It's actually not a lung sound. It is stridor. It's an upper airway sound. I can hear it across the room. Stridor, I think about 5 things. I think about epiglottitis. I think about croup. I think about anaphylaxis. I think about foreign body airway obstruction. And finally, I think about inhalation burns. And there it is.